Hey, how are you? In this video, we will be talk about top 7 brutal action thriller movies available on Netflix.
Who the fuck are you?
Number 7, Black and Blue 2019. A rookie policeman in New Orleans advertently captures the shooting death of a young drug dealer on her body cam. After realizing the murder was committed by corrupt cops, she teams up with the only person from the community who is willing to help her. Now she finds herself on the run from both the vengeful criminals and the lawmen who desperately want to destroy the incriminating footage. Number 6, Lost Bullet 2020. Mechanic Lino is passionate about ram cars, but when faced with dirty cops, he is given a deal he can't refuse. He must put his passion at their service in order to avoid prison. Number 5, The Grey Man 2022. 6, a highly skilled assassin in the deep cover Sierra program of the CIA is the agency's best merchant of death. However, a mission goes bad and now 6 is on the run from the CIA with sociopathic former agent Lloyd Hansen hot on his trail, aided by agent Danny Marinda and handler Donald Fitzroy. 6 must be his most ruthless to avoid Hansen, who will stop at nothing to bring 6 down. Number 4, The Outlaw 2017. Based on the real events that occurred in 2007, dubbed the Hugh Sapa incident, the story follows a turf war that grows between a local gang that runs Gary Bong Dong in Guru District, Seoul, and the Hugh Sapa gang from Yanbian, China. The police are called in to attempt to bring peace to the neighborhood. Number 3, Polar 2019. The world's top assassin, Duncan Whistler, aka the Black Chaser, is setting into retirement when his former employer marks him as a liability to the firm. Against his will, he finds himself back in the game, going head to head with an army of younger, faster, ruthless killers who will stop at nothing to find him silenced. Number 2, Major Grom, Plague Doctor 2021. Police Major Igor Grom is known throughout St. Petersburg for his penetrative character and irreconcilable attitude towards criminals of all stripes, but everything changes dramatically with the appearance of the person in the mask of the Plague Doctor. Having declared that his city is sick with the plague of lawlessness, he takes up treatment, killing people who at one time escaped punishment with the help of money and high status in society. Society is agitated. The police officers are powerless. For the first time, Igor faces difficulties in the investigation, the outcome of which may determine the fate of the whole city. Number 1, Nobody 2021. Hutch Mansell fails to defend himself or his family when two thieves break into his suburban home one night. The aftermath of the incident soon strikes a match to his long simmering rage. In a barrage of fists, gunfire and squealing tires, Hutch must now save his wife from a dangerous adversary and ensure that he will never be underestimated again.